If you're new here, I'm Pete. Just a grandfather building a backyard amusement park for my grandkids, one part at a time. Last time I turned an old meat smoker into a powder coat oven so we could finally finish the rocket ride parts. Today's goal is to coat all 20 steering wheels bright red, then do all 20 mounts in gloss black. Alright, so this is pretty exciting. Getting them ready to powder coat. This new oven means I can finally run these in batches rather than having to do them one at a time. Alright, let's get them back in the oven. Let's clean up the mess we made. Coming down to the end here of our first true run, I just noticed something here. Nice. Here we go. Small wins, just a whole lot faster now. They look pretty nice. Our fan is still working. So I'm trying to see if a fan under there will help keep the convection fan cool and prevent it from self-destructing. I need to make a cover underneath to protect the electrical connections so nobody can reach under there and get shocked. So since I'm making that cover anyways, I'll incorporate mounts for that fan, assuming that that actually helps. Alright, we'll let this cool down and then we'll do another batch. Okay, this is another batch going in the oven, and this time we're gonna see what it looks like if we powder coat over these ones that we've already done silver. These are all washed, got off all the sandblasting dust. This would probably work better if I had spacers between them. This will be alright though. While we wait for these, let's go tackle something else. So I've got this really old can of rubber cement thinner here, and it's been rusting away. And I really don't want to lose it. So I got a brand new can here. I'm going to try to transfer it over. I got a funnel and a filter, hopefully to catch anything that might be in it. No open flames, please. This stuff just works so good, I don't want to get rid of it. Last time I checked, this stuff was $80 or $90 a gallon. There we go. I really kind of feel guilty powder coating over top of these black ones my friend Brett did for me, but I really want them all red. All right. Boy, they sure look nice. Wow. We'll do the steering mounts next. They're going to be black. Looks really good. Okay, now the steering wheel mounts. All right, we are going to coat these right on this rack. It's going to get my rack covered in paint, but I don't know any other way to prevent that from happening. I'm going to plug all these threaded holes though. These are just silicone high temperature plugs. They're made just for doing stuff like this. We'll get these up to temperature, and while these are going up to temperature, I will work on getting the guns switched over from red to black. It's been a long time coming, but we're just about done with these steering wheels. We got less than a minute left on the clock, and when that's done, we can finally check this part of the project off the list. I could not be happier with how this oven is working. The functionality of it, the preheating, the run, it's just what I wanted. Okay, we got what should be a quick little side quest today. I found these indicator lights that can mount on a DIN rail. My idea here is to stick this up in here, and we put this into service mode. It'll be a visual indication without having to be able to see the key. So I'm going to wire that in there to this switch, and like I said, it should be a quick little side quest. Okay. And we've been calling that signal drive stop. Probably cut off the excess. See if these scissors work. I just got these at a yard sale. Yeah, those are nice. I also got these at a yard sale. These are not very good. I didn't feel like that was going in there. It's not working. I don't know if that screw got cross-threaded or what. Oh, man. So much for quick. There we go. Okay. This thing here is cross-threaded or something. Let's see if we can figure out what size it's supposed to be. It's bigger than an M3, but it's smaller than an M4. I can't believe it would be Imperial. Actually, it is. A 640 fits beautifully. Well, that's a surprise. Okay, let's get back on this indicator light project. I got some screws, a little bit longer than I need. That's all I could find in this 640 thread. There it is. This kind of slides down there on rails. Two is negative. There we go. Pull these out just a little bit. Boy, they're shiny. Boy, they look nice. Okay, we can officially check these off the to-do list and move on to something else. Hopefully get this ride done before the kids outgrow it. If you'd like to help out the project, consider supporting us over on Patreon. And if you don't want to miss any part of this project, click that link to the left and come along for the ride.